Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to FRP bypass this phone. This is Digo 602KC. So let's get started. First, connect to your Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I've connected. It's connecting, then checking for updates. Let's keep waiting. Let's see. This phone have a problem whereby pressive says is not working correctly. It's closing itself. So I want to show you how to can bypass the FRP using the close pressive says is closing itself. As you can see, you have a Google account. You need to verify. So let's get into action. Let's go to no, you need not that. That's my bad. You need an aux or a headset. Just plug it in the headset jack. Right there. As you can see, select play music. Then skip. Then what you need to go to here, three lines. Go on help and sit back. As you can see, Google Play Save says has stopped. This happens. Open again. Maybe it's not opening. You do the same. It's keep closing. So what I'm going to do, I'll do this. Look closely. I'll click on have and feedback and click these three lines first. Let's try again. And open sources. I'll click on open source first. As you can see, I'll close this. What we want is this. Then I'll click here. Then I'll share. So after clicking share, what I want is Gmail. I'll hold and click on Gmail. App E4. You'll be the same. App E4. Then roll your thing. Then I'll click on what I want is notifications. I'll click on the settings app button there. Then there I'll go to three lines there and manage accounts. Then continue. So after arriving in settings, now we are in settings. What I need to do is to go to apps, where you can check for Google Play Services, which is setting. So as you can see, Google Play Services is bright. You can't disable it. We need to disable this app. So what I'm going to do is this. First, I'll go to Chrome. We need to enter Chrome. So again, go on notifications. Then I'll click the settings button. Then it will turn on this. Then I'll click here where there's a Google website. Click there. Then click the question mark on the corner here. It will open Chrome, as you can see. So after open Chrome, click here. It's asking for an update. Just click on the screen. Ignore that. Then go on no thanks. Here we are in Chrome. So there we will click the enum. Search the enum. The enum bypass Google on 2025. Click there. Now we are in the website. What we want here is an application APK file called FRP VNLOM. This one. Just click here, turn that off, continue, then allow. Let's go and see downloads for our application. Yeah, it's downloading. Keep waiting. Yeah, let's continue waiting. Okay, yeah, I think the lighting was bad there. So let's keep waiting. Let's wait for it to download, complete the download. Okay, let me check again. I think something is not right. What's going on here? It's failing to finish. Okay, here I think this was the problem. Click OK. Yeah, I think it has completed. I'll open, go to settings, here allow, go back, downloads, let's install the thing. Okay, it's installing. It has completed, as you can see. So what we want, let me try to open security. Okay, that's it. Let's go back. Need to go back. Let's try to open settings. Here now we are in settings. So here what we are going to do, we need to go to security, start screen and security, device administration. Need to disable this, deactivate that. After that, go to apps. When you're in apps, look for press services. So as you can see now, the disable option is back. Just click disable and then go back and go to accounts. There, add an account, Google. They add your account. Add your Google account. Any Google account will work. Click agree. Wait for the device to load. Now you can see there says the bypass FRP has stopped. Just click back. There, need to enable the Google Play Services back. Just click enable. There, just go back. Click back up to start menu. Welcome page. Go back to welcome page. As you can see, let's click skip. Setup was new. Let's wait, checking for updates. Let's wait, just keep waiting. Come on, faster. Let's keep on waiting. Yeah, just a sec. As you can see, account added. Click next. Getting account info. Just a sec. Yeah, there. As you see, date and time. Not now. Skip this one. Protection. Skip. Just a sec. Let's wait for it. Yeah, I think this is about assistant. I'll just skip. Yeah, just dismiss this or set. Yeah, now the phone is done. As you can see, you can go to settings. You can update the thing. You can install the application, the Vienna ROM. That's it, guys. Thanks.